Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in the last two videos, I told you guys how we can hack DJI Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro. So for DJI Mini 3, we were using the free hack method to bypass the 15 meters. So that hack was not permanent and you have to apply the hack method every time when you fly your DJI Mini 3. And for DJI Mini 3 Pro, you had to purchase the Dronehacks license by paying 40 euros, that would be around 3,500 to 4,000 rupees, and then we will be able to apply the hack on our DJI Mini 3 Pro. So in this video, to make it very simpler, I have brought a new steps which you can apply on your DJI Mini 3 Pro and bypass 120 meters, and you will be able to fly your drone up to 500 meters. This method will be totally free, no need to pay any amount, and these steps will be permanent. Means you have to apply the hack steps only one time, then after your drone will be ready to fly up to 500 meters at any point of time. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video guide.
So guys, to perform this hack, you would require a Dronehacks software. So I am downloading the latest version of Dronehacks software from the Dronehacks website. I will be mentioning the link in the description so you guys can directly visit this website, and from the right corner you can see that download button is available and you can click on download. After clicking on download, you will see DJI. You have to click on DJI, and after that you will get the option to download the software. So here it's mentioned that this software only works on Windows 10, but in fact I have Windows 11 and it's working totally fine. So if you guys have Windows 11 software or OS, no worries, this software will work even on Windows 11. So once your download is completed, open the Dronehacks software. After opening this software, you have to turn on your drone, and after hearing the first beep from your drone, you have to connect your cable to your drone and USB cable to your laptop, and immediately after few seconds, 5 to 10 seconds, your drone will be connected to your laptop and Dronehacks will start fetching the data from your drone. So guys, once the drone is connected to your Dronehacks software, you will see a green solid bar, and with this you will get to know that your drone has been connected to your laptop. So here you have to click on hack parameters. It will fetch the data from your DJI Mini 3 Pro. It would take around 5 to 10 seconds to fetch the data, and here on the left top corner you will see that our drone details will be displayed. As you can see on the screen now, DJI Mini 3 is written and serial number, firmware, everything has been mentioned on the left top corner. And here in the change parameters you will see that we get advanced parameters and right parameters option. We have to click on advanced parameters, and here in the search bar you have to search for max, and you have to select limit max height, and you have to enter 500 meters and then save parameters. After that you can see that the bar will be moved towards the right to the 500 meters. After that you have to click on right parameters or to the drone. Just after clicking this, within 2 to 3 seconds you have to turn on your smart RC. Let your drone be connected to your laptop, no issues. Just turn on your smart RC, and here when you go to the settings you should be able to see that max altitude will be set to 500 meters. After that just take off your drone from your laptop. Now let's fly our drone more than 120 meters and see whether we will be able to fly our DJI Mini 3 Pro over 120 meters. So guys, as I mentioned earlier, this is a one-time hack. So in this video I'll show you guys flying the DJI Mini 3 Pro up to 500 meters. After that I'll also be showing you guys rebooting the RC as well as the drone, and we'll see whether the altitude parameters stay or whether we have to do the hack process again. So now our RC has been activated, or we can say it has been started, and let me start the screen recording. Okay, so here you can see that the max altitude that is set is more than 120 meters. So yeah, max altitude has been set to 500 meters, and let me show you the about session as well for your confirmation. So it's DJI Mini 3 Pro, and here you can see the aircraft firmware, RC firmware, a FlySafe database firmware DJI Fly Up version. So with this you guys can get the confirmation from the about session. After now I'll just start the drone and we'll take off our drone and see whether we will be able to fly our drone more than 120 meters or not. So let's quickly boost this video and make our drone fly up to 120 meters. I am in the normal mode now. Let me switch to the sports mode. So sports mode will help us to achieve the height as soon as possible. So guys, as you can see on the screen, we are able to exceed 120 meters without any issue. So now let's keep on pushing our drone up to we reach the max altitude, that is 500 meters with our DJI MINI 3 Pro. So guys, as you can see on the screen, we are able to achieve 500 meters with our DJI MINI 3, that too with the free version of Dronehacks software. So guys, this means hack is working totally fine and our drone can achieve 500 meters with this free version of Dronehacks software. So now let's try the auto RTH. So you can see on the screen that we can adjust the auto RTH to any height. I am setting it to 125 meters. And let's try the return to home. So guys, let me just fast forward this video so that we can see whether our drone will reach the home point exactly or not. So as you can see on the screen, our drone has returned to home exactly from where it has took off. So now our next test goes on with rebooting our drone as well as the RC. So I am turning off my drone as well as I have turned off the RC. So smart RC is turned off and even the drone is turned off. I have removed the battery and put back the battery, and now I am turning on the drone as well as the RC. So let's see if this max altitude parameter stays or just goes off. So now RC is fully on, GPS analyzer up to 30, and here when we check for the max altitude is still set to 500 meters. So guys, I have tested this various times and our parameters are staying. So this is the permanent hack guys, you can use this one.
So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.